Jai Hind. Today we have with us another DDA Diamond who has just completed his training of Agniveer Indian Navy. So we have Deepesh with us. Welcome, Deepesh.
Thank you, sir.
And first of all, congratulations for such a huge success. You are now Agniveer, protecting our maritime borders. So Deepesh, first of all, tell us something about yourself. From which place you belong?
Sir, I'm from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and there I live in IIT Society, which is inside the IIT campus.
Okay.
And in my family, there are 4 people, including me.
Oh.
And my father is a government teacher, and my mother is homemaker, and my brother, he is in Indian Post Department.
Okay. So your father is a teacher, your mother is a homemaker. You are the first one from the family who has joined the armed forces.
Yes, I have taken responsibilities, or I have taken experience from my uncles, which are in BSF and Special Forces. So I have so much from them I got the.
So you got your inspiration from your uncles and all. Okay, Deepesh. And how did you came to know about Doon Defense Academy?
Sir, from the online sites and from my seniors who are studying in DDA, I got to know from them.
Okay, and many students from DDA, they have this cracked the Agniveer examination. Were some of them with you when you were doing your training?
Yes, sir. We were 5 people which were living here in, and all of them are in Indian Navy Agniveer.
Okay, that's
Yes,
great. And there is a one hot topic, a debatable topic. What is better, offline coaching or online coaching, in your opinion?
Sir, in my opinion, personally, I will go through the offline course, because when you are here and you are interacting with the teachers physically, you got to know so much, and you are here and you clear your doubts thoroughly. So
Okay.
it's good.
Oh, and Deepesh, one more question. There are few misconceptions about Agniveer scheme. Initially, we find some of the misconceptions, criticism about Agniveer scheme, but you are now an Agniveer. I have interviewed many students who are now Agniveer, and they have said many things positive about Agniveer scheme. So please share with our viewers what actually are the benefits of Agniveer scheme.
Definitely, sir. I'm inside and I know there are lots of opportunity. If you are physically strong, you can go through special forces and special courses. If you are good in studies, you can go through various exams, commission worthy exam from which you can become officer. So it's up to you how many potential you have inside, you can go.
Okay.
And it's very good scheme, sir.
And you can also pursue your graduation
Yes, sir.
while doing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today you will be receiving award of 10,000 cash award from Sandeep sir. So what are the plans? How you are going to spend them? You will be going to Mussoorie to see snowfall, or you will be heading back to Kanpur?
No, sir. Definitely, I will go through Mussoorie and Dhanolti. After that, some gifts for my parents from them.
To see the
Yes, sir.
snowfall. So thank you, Deepesh. All the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.